Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm an AI engineer working on real-world AI system, and I'm comfortable working with AI and building things in practice. What's actually hard for me is starting YouTube and putting out the first video because I don't know what to push. But I think the thing I need to just start. And a lot of AI content focus on publish, tutor, or hype, but very little shows how real engineering decisions are made or how problems are solved step by step. And this channel is not about pretending everything is perfect. Maybe in my coding I will feel a lot of problem, but I will solve that. Maybe in web coding, maybe ask ChatGPT, but I will make sure that is real. And it's about documenting real problem solving and showing how I think as I build AI system. I was inspired by creators like Tech with Team and the Free Code Camp, and I think they are really kind of people. They just share their knowledge with low price and help a lot of people. So I also want to do this thing, and yeah, so I will share video about building AI agents and making engineering decision and debugging real system and sharing what I learned along the way. And I already share similar technology content on Bilibili and have 1,000 fans. And I choose YouTube to continue my journey with a global audience. And if you are interested in understanding AI more deeply and seeing how real systems are built, this channel is probably for you. And thanks for watching.